These two guys they've just worked the festival at Harewood House in Leeds on a couple of weeks back.
There's a crowd of 20,000 people, 4 of them watched us.
They were cleaning out the toilets, you know, but showbiz is showbiz.
Those Paul who's done any themselves.
The Heavenly Brothers.
Thank you.
So yes, we're doing Everly Brothers song this evening. This first one is called Crying in the Rain. Now Mr. Broughton has a copy of this that I sent him yesterday. It's an absolute bloody disaster. What the hell I was thinking of, I don't know. So we'll do it properly this time, Graham. Alright?
You see the way your broken heart is hurting me. I got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you won't know tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you so, though the heartaches remain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven could never wash away my misery. Since we're not together, I look for stormy weather to hide these tears I hope you'll never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven could never wash away my misery. But since we're not together, I look for stormy weather to hide these tears I hope you'll never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain.